Good afternoon. I'm your weather forecaster, Caleb Beer, with your NewsLink Indiana weather. And we jump right into today's almanac. We can see that today's high was about 32 degrees. Definitely pretty chilly. It definitely feels a little bit chilly outside with that wind chill out there as well. But we can also see our average high is about 39, which is about a 7 degrees difference from today's high for the average high. And we can also see our record high was about 71 degrees set back in 1999, which is definitely unseasonably warm as well. Now, as we jump into our precision cast, we can see it's fairly empty up until Friday here. As we get definitely into some clouds, you can see over here in Quincy and even Waterloo up there, we get into some rain and snow and ice mixture as well up there. And as it'll push down through here and through Muncie. Of course, we're getting that. And then as we get into Saturday, later Saturday, we'll be experiencing more rain as it's coming up through here and even into Ohio as well. As we jump into some current temperatures here, we can see Muncie at 24 degrees, Kokomo at 21, cooling down a little bit. Even colder in Lafayette at 19 degrees. We can see it's warming up here in Shelbyville at 27 degrees as well. And of course, we got to break it down into our smaller towns. We can see Portland also warming up at 27 degrees. Getting a little bit cooler here is Hartford City, just neighboring at 21 degrees. And we can also see Anderson around here at 23 degrees as well. As we jump into our next 12 hours, we can see a pretty good trend here from about 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. We can see about 24 to 25 degrees all the way through there. And we can also see that at 6 p.m., we start to see a downtrend here, about 2 degrees every single hour, from 22 all the way down to 14 degrees here at midnight as well. So you can definitely want to make sure you're bundling up if you're going outside at any point later in the night. Tonight, we can also see mostly cloudy skies, with 8 degrees with a westerly wind of 10 miles an hour. Again, if you're going outside, make sure you are bundling up. It is going to be brisk outside there tonight. And as we see tomorrow, around 8 a.m. when you're going to class, we can see about 13 degrees here, about mostly sunny with partly clouds as well, with a west-southwest wind about 10 miles per hour. As we get later in the day, around lunchtime, around 12, we can see that it is becoming more cloudy. More clouds are moving in, becoming less sunny. We can also see about double the temperature at 26 degrees from 8 a.m. or at the southeast wind around 10 miles per hour. And we can also see around 5 p.m. even more clouds are coming in and very little sun is going to be showing anymore, around 35 degrees, getting a little bit warmer still all the way throughout the day at southeast, still at 10 mile an hour per hour winds. Now, as we jump into our 7-day forecast, we can see Thursday, the 70% chance of a snowy mixture with a high of 32 degrees and a whopping low of 8 degrees that was right there as well. Definitely a huge temperature change there especially. Friday around 32, going to be sun, finally get to see the sun a little bit. Saturday and Sunday, about 10-degree difference there in the highs, but we can also see there's going to be a rainy mixture of 80% there, and then Sunday is going to be snowy with a 70%. But I want to take a look here at the 24 degrees and the 5 degrees lows. That is definitely a huge difference there, so definitely if you're going outside, make sure you are prepared and knowing that it's going to be much, much cooler there on Sunday night. And we jump into Monday, you can see finally get a break from all the snow there. Around 16 degrees is the high and the 7 is the low. But you see it's Tuesday and Wednesday got lower percentages, but still some rain and maybe some snow there as well with a high of 27 and 19. And if you'd like to know more information, you can go to Facebook or Twitter at NLI Weather.